Ugh, hello. Ignore the hair. It's all in good fun. I'm a bit of a mess at the minute. I'm fine, just I've caught something. Anyway, look what we've got here. Oh, cracking nice little bits of details on these, and they're they're just made beautifully from what I can see. So, right, folks, hello. I'm just going to stand next to the Christmas tree. The temperature has absolutely dropped outside, so I'm just going to do this spiel in here so I'm not freezing to fucking death. Okay, so one end of the spindle sliders will be fixed. You won't be able to undo it. Do not try and undo this, whatever you do, because you need to be able to bear down on it when you tighten it up, so do not try and undo this. Now, this guy does undo, so what you want to do is drop it on the floor, and you want to make sure for the Speed Triple 1200 RS, because you can use these for different models, is you want to have it in this direction. So you've got the fixed screw at this end, and you're going to have this guy. It's got two machine spacers on it, and then you've got the other one, which is a sort of convexed, machined, and smaller spacers. This goes on the end that is not fixed. What you will need, 8mm. So these are two 8mm. I'm not going to use Loctite for these because I'm going to be taking the wheels off and on throughout servicing and stuff, so I don't want to have them Loctited down. So let's have a go. So this side, the bigger side with the bigger spacers, goes into the bigger side on the right hand side of the fork leg, and then the other side, right, and this side is smaller. So you'll see that this guy is smaller, and that will fit inside there like that. And then whack this guy on. Push from the other end. Just get the thread started like that. Obviously tighten up. Now you can decide whereabouts you want the Triumph logo. I think I'm gonna, oh, there's 4 of them on each side, so it doesn't really matter really. I'm just gonna tighten up. Torque spec for these is 9 Newton meters. Thinking about it, you don't actually need this guy. This guy is not bearing down because it's locked, isn't it? So you don't actually need anything on that side. All you need is this. It's not particularly very tight, but 7, 8, 9. So remember, 9 Newton meters. I'm just gonna undo. Just gonna undo it and then redo it up just so I know that it's reading correctly. Okay, that was... And there you go. All done and dusted, folks. Look at that. They look nice, they do. Cool. Right then, you beautiful bastards. That was how to install the spindle sliders. Very, very easy. Nothing too big. Nothing too much of a major issue. The only thing that I did have a problem with was this torque wrench. It doesn't like being at the lower end of the range there. Sort of 7 is the lowest it'll go, and it's a very, very vague click, and because 7 Newton meters is literally just hand, just hand tight, it's very difficult to get the click from the wrench itself. So, if you go up to 15 Newton meters, it's not going to kill anything. The only reason they give you such a low figure, they want it to move in the event of a crash. They don't want it to be hard as a rock because it can damage stuff. So anyway, that was that. If you want the part number, Alpha 964 0080. Genuine parts, and it fits all of these pipes here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. And until the next time, have a fantastic Christmas, Happy New Year, all the best to you and your families. And buy Wraith Energy. I've got a discount for Wraith Energy because I'm partnered with them. So if you want some Wraith Energy, no sugar, no nothing, high caffeine. Anyway, enough of that. Sort them out. Thank you very much.